Hello there. Why, hello there. You may notice my chin is like sticking out and like up. That's to stop snoring. That's like, it only takes 1 milliliter of sticking your chin out to stop. And you're snoring is caused by your chin resting on the back of your throat. And it's a sign your brain is deprived of oxygen. So I'm gonna have like a healthier brain and better chin. I like the way it looks, but that's how you can stop snoring. You stick your chin like 1 millimeter more. I did it more so because, easier to remember.